Hey everyone, today we're gonna master the craft of having best export settings for your shots, so let's begin. First you gotta go to your file, then new and create a sequence, and after that you gotta select digital SLR 1080p, then we gotta change the frame rate to 60. If you want you can also edit your shots in 30 fps, but I'll go with 60. Then we gotta create the resolution to 9:16, which is 1080 into 1920, which is the resolution for your shots. After that is done, you can save this preset. And this preset you will use for your YouTube shots. Now once you edited your video in this preset, you gotta change a little bit of our export settings because we wanna make sure that we stand out from the crowd. So go to your export settings and see if everything is fine or not. The resolution, the frame rate, everything. Once you're satisfied with it, make sure to check these two boxes of render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. After this you gotta come down to encoding settings. You can use hardware encoding or software encoding. Hardware encoding is GPU and software is your processor. Then bitrate settings, we gotta make that VBR to CBR, and once it's done you gotta make it to 50 or 45, whatever you want. Make sure your audio sample rate is at max cause audio is the main key factor of your shots going viral. So just keep it at 48,000 Hz, and now you're done to create the best quality shots for your YouTube channel.